Hello, this is Tim Bryce with the National Weather Service in El Paso. This is a special weather briefing for the potential of strong to severe thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. Well, what are we looking at? We've had a lot of moisture move into the region behind a cold front last night, and that moisture is going to combine with a weak upper level storm system to give us the potential for thunderstorms that could contain large hail up to golf ball size, strong gusty winds up to 70 mile an hour, which could cause some lower visibilities, maybe even some structural damage. Flash flooding will be a possibility mainly east of El Paso, and we could see some dry thunderstorms west of Las Cruces today. So lots going on in the weather. Real quickly, get a little weather scenario. You can see that the moisture has moved in on these easterly winds that have moved into the area, but out west along the Arizona border, you can still see there's some southwesterly winds. So basically, we've got a convergence line that will set up someplace between basically El Paso and Deming. At the same time, we've got a weak upper level storm system. Where that convergence line sets up is really going to determine where our thunderstorms fire up, and then everything's going to move off to the east or northeast. So that's the weather scenario. That's why we've got the potential for severe weather today. Lots of moisture, a weak upper level storm system, and some good wind shear in the atmosphere. The Storm Prediction Center is highlighting on the right-hand side of the screen there. You can see they're highlighting more the Albuquerque area for the better potential for severe storms, but even down in our area where it says marginal there, we could see again those potential for strong to severe thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. And then the Storm Prediction Center is also highlighting areas west of Las Cruces for the potential of dry thunderstorms, which they don't want to see because those are the kind of thunderstorms that will start fires, and with no rain falling out of them, that lightning can start those fires and has nothing to put it out. The Weather Prediction Center out of Washington was also highlighting just to our east the potential for excessive rainfall. So that means we're close enough. Basically, we could see rainfall that could lead to some flash flooding this afternoon and evening. The best potential from what I've been seeing in the model data this morning for strong to severe thunderstorms is basically from a line from El Paso and Las Cruces to the east. So that would include El Paso, Las Cruces, like I said, but also Alamogordo, Cloudcroft, Del City, and Sierra Blanca going forward. That's where the best potential for the flash flooding rain, large hail, and strong gusty winds that we'll be seeing. Some of the uncertainties, again, where that boundary sets up, that convergence line, if it sets up in the Rio Grande Valley, it'll increase the threat of rain for El Paso and Las Cruces. And the severe thunderstorms as well. But if it sets up a little bit to the east of there, then the main threat will shift to the east, and that'll be across portions of Hudspeth County and for Alamogordo. Right now, there's no watches out, but we do have the potential for seeing a severe thunderstorm watch this afternoon and evening, and for severe thunderstorm warnings and flash flood warnings. As far as the hydro products go, more likely we'll see flood advisories if we see anything, but I did want to rule out the potential for flash flood warnings. Once again, the potential is there for large hail this afternoon and evening, mainly in the Rio Grande Valley and east. Same place for the damaging winds. Actually, that's for the damaging winds east of the Continental Divide. Flash flooding threat will be mainly east of El Paso, and then that dry lightning threat will be a primary threat west of Las Cruces this afternoon. So stay up with the latest weather information. You can go to our website, weather.gov/El Paso, or follow us on Facebook or Twitter. Thanks a lot, and have a great day, and keep an eye on the weather.